We're doing corpse bride makeup today, so let's just get into it. Who cares about the intro? Thought it'd be really fucking cringy again. Long time no see. We'll talk while we do the makeup, because that's what we're here to see, right? First things first, we're going to reveal our hairline. Reveal. We are wearing a wig cap today, which is why we're revealing our hairline. This is my favorite for my type of hair, because I have really short hair, really fine hair. This type of contraption works well, especially since I can never hold on to a hair tie, so I have nothing to tie my hair up. Next, Get Naked Enough. We're gonna use this palette for now, and we're going to outline the eyes first. Tim Burton characters have really big eyes, so we're gonna make our eyes appear much bigger. Shade over here, just to outline. It doesn't matter what color you're using, just try to use like a light brown or like something a little darker than your skin tone. Don't use like red or anything because we are making ourselves blue today, so don't want to make us purple. I'm gonna go right under our eyelashes. This part's kind of unnecessary, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm going to map out like the roundness of her eye. I'm just gonna make sure it's a perfect circle. That's just because I'm crazy. You don't have to do that because I'm sure the eyeshadow will do it itself, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay, the moment that we've been waiting for, we're gonna paint our body, our chest and face blue now. Almost like a gray blue. Going with this Athena makeup paint palette. This color, touch of black and a little bit of white. Now we're gonna blend this bitch in. I haven't transformed like this in a while. The reason why I even stopped doing my YouTube channel was because my phone wouldn't let me record any more videos. My phone kept saying my storage was full even though I kept deleting stuff, and I like had nothing on my phone anymore. I've gotten a new phone since then. Sometimes my phone still says I don't have storage, but I thought I would just give it a shot for this Halloween. I miss making tutorials. I like how excited my dad would get whenever he would watch my YouTube videos. Since I've not been on here, I've gone on to do a lot of crazy things that I would never would have thought. Years ago, I made a video, how to walk in high heels. Why did I make that video? I don't know, because I just thought I knew how to walk in heels. Yes, I will be doing 31 days of Halloween like I do every year, but I will not be doing 31 YouTube videos, so stay tuned for the other ones. Now that we look absolutely insane, we're gonna put some white paint on our under eyes, down our nose, Cupid's bow, our chin, down a line down our neck, and some on our collarbones here. Now we're gonna blend this in. Now we're gonna set everything with this e.l.f. translucent setting powder and this triangle sponge, period. Now that we are set, let's do the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this blue first. I'm basically just outlining that circle with blue. Let's like blend out the harsh edges. I'm going to remove some of the blue that I got where we drew that line earlier. I'm gonna put white all up in there. I'm gonna set this with the white that's in this Jeffree Star palette. I'm gonna come back to the upper eyes and go back into the Avani Greg palette and go to the darker blue, the dark blue right here. We're gonna just deepen up the eye sockets and all that. Now that we're darkened up a bit, we're gonna go into this Nomad palette and we're gonna go into these two top shades. We're gonna put them right in the middle to give them a little pop. We're gonna contour. We're gonna do blue and then we're gonna do gray. You're married to me. She's the other woman. and blend a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this color again, just to like make it more brown. I'm going to line my eyelids. I've been using this Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. I freaking love this stuff. I'm gonna do my top mascara only just to get it out of the way. Do not do your bottom lashes because that will defeat the whole purpose of doing the white on the bottom. We're gonna do the brows. I'm just gonna use black eyeshadow and an angled brush, and we're just gonna like, you know. Do the lips, and I'm gonna apply my eyelashes. I'm just gonna do like individual ones on the bottom and a strip on the top. She's the other woman. The lipstick that I used is this one. She has like a very pink lip. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in Seductress. I almost forgot a very crucial part to Tim Burton makeup looks. You know, your nose like extra pointy by drawing triangles. This is like imperative for a Tim Burton look. Now we can move on to the eyelashes. I'm not gonna film, sorry. Okay, we're done with the makeup portion, and now I'm gonna go put my wig on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Happy Halloween. Victor.